In this video, we'll discuss multiplication of integers. We'll model with the help of counters and understand how do we write the multiplication statement. In the following videos, we'll master these strategies with more examples. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, posting excellent comments, and the request for understanding this concept of modeling multiplication for integers. Here is the very first example where the question is write multiplication statement for each model if blue represents a negative integer and red represents a positive integer. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now, this basic concept is going to help us in following videos to model with counters and on the number line. Okay, so I hope you got the answer. Let's begin with the solution one by one. Very first one, what do you notice? We notice that there are four groups of two each. Do you see that? So, what we see here is four groups of 2, and these blue ones represent negative integers, right? 2 each, negative integers. You get the whole idea. Four groups of 2 each, negative integers. So if I have to model this, I'll say 4 times negative 2. Makes sense? That is what it is. And you can count how many negative counters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get this as negative 8, right? Do you see this? Four groups of 2 each? Simple as that. Perfect. Now you have understood this concept. I'd like you to answer part B, C, and D. Well, you must have got the answer for the next one, which is two groups of 3 each, and all are negative integers since the color is blue, right? So let me rewrite this answer. Two groups means 2 times, right? And how many each? 3 each. Negative because it is a blue counter, and every blue counter represents a negative integer. You can count there are 6 in all. 6 blue means minus 6. Perfect. Now, C is all red, correct? So, you are expecting a positive answer since red represents positive integer. How many groups? 1, 2, 3. And in each group, we have 4 reds, right? So that means 3 groups of 4 each, 4 positive integers. And if you count them all, you know there are 12 red counters, which means 12 positive, right? That becomes yours. The last one here is slightly tricky. So what we have is blue and red minus, and then we have something which is known to you. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3 each. How do we write a statement for this? Well, plus or minus, when you put them together, using zero principle, that is 0 for me, right? So I could write 0 for this, right? And then we have a minus. Is that clear to you? The rest of the things is like 4 groups of 3 each and 3 negative each, right? So 4 groups of negative 3. That should be the answer. You get the whole idea, right? So this is 0 and negative of 4 groups of negative each, right? So think like this. Let me put negative of this, right? So, negative of negative is reverse. Perfect. So, negative of negative will be reverse, and therefore we could write this as equal to negative of negative 12, which is equal to positive 12. Does it make sense to you? Slightly tricky. We are doing reverse of negative 12. And that is how 0 take away negative 12 makes it positive 12. Correct? So that is how you are going to answer part D, which is slightly confusing, but I hope it makes sense. It is extremely important concept which is going to help you in following videos. So the next question for you will be to model the statement itself. 5 times minus 2. You need to write in with the help of counters. So that could be your exercise to do and our next video to explain. I hope it makes sense. Perfect. So with that, we move forward and this is the end of this particular video. You have answers for all four of them. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. In case you want to learn from me, send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thanks for your time and all the best.